Okay, so I was resetting my MacBook Air M1, and after that I'm getting this message: the version of macOS on this startup disk is out of date. So I'll just simply do the recovery. Click on the recovery. You can reinstall the macOS Figma, or you can actually restore if you have any backup. I don't have any backup, to be very honest, so I'll just try reinstall the macOS Sequa. Let's see what happens. Just make sure you're connected with internet. I'll just pause the video, so it'll be short video for you guys. Okay, so this is what you'll get now. Just scroll it, read all the agreement, just agree. You don't have any other option, just agree. And here you need to select a disk. The volume cannot be downgraded. Okay, now here we got stuck, guys, because we are not able to select this volume at all. This is so bad from Apple side. Now we need to quit install macOS. From top you can select that, just quit that. Instead of that, I'll try browse Apple to get or disk utility repair or erase disk using the last option I'll use. Okay, now here you can see this is our drive. I need to erase everything. Ta-da. Use this much. There is one more drive. What is the macOS base system? We can't erase, but we can erase. Let me just erase this one. Erase volume group. Erase. Let's see what happens. Once again I'll pause this. Okay, again it started from scratch. First I'll click here on Wi-Fi. Let's connect with the Wi-Fi. I'll just type down the Wi-Fi password. Let's see if it's connected or not. It's still loading, trying to connect. Okay, it's almost connect, but still it's taking time. I'll just, okay, it's showing me error. If it shows you error, then just turn it off. Then again you need to turn it on, and then again it'll try to rejoin that same network. Okay, yeah, it joined the same network. Now it will start loading, and once loading is done, it will next should be clickable. Okay, exit to recovery. We should try reinstall macOS once again. Let's see this time if we'll be able to click that disk option or not. I'll just pause the video. Okay, once again we have that same agreement. Yeah, we agree. Now you can select it. Now you can click on the next. It'll take about 3 hours and 33 minutes, and it will be installed, and after that you'll be able to use your MacBook. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and make sure you're connected with internet.